Where do you live? Do you live in a house or in a flat? Do you know the difference between semi-detached house or a terrace house? Hello everyone, and today we're going to learn different types of houses. Let's start. A flat, a flat, a flat. A flat or an apartment is a private part in a block. A detached house, a detached house, a detached house. A detached house is a standalone house that doesn't share any wall with other houses. A semi-detached house, a semi-detached house, a semi-detached house. A semi-detached house has one common wall with the next house. A terraced house, a terraced house, a terraced house. A terraced house is a house built as a part of a continuous row in a uniform style. A bungalow, a bungalow, a bungalow. A bungalow is a low house that has only one story. A cottage, a cottage, a cottage. A cottage in a small country house. A castle, a castle, a castle. A castle is a large building of a medieval period where kings and queens live. A mobile home, a mobile home, a mobile home. A mobile home is a prefabricated structure that can be moved from one place to another. A treehouse, a treehouse, a treehouse. A treehouse is a small house built on a tree. A hut, a hut, a hut. A hut is a small single-story house or a shelter. An igloo, an igloo, an igloo. An igloo is a shelter built from blocks of solid snow. And you, where do you live? This is my friend Sam. Hi Sam, where do you live? I live in a flat. This is my friend Chris. Hi Chris, where do you live? I live in a bungalow. This is my friend James. Hi James, where do you live? I live in a cottage. This is my friend Jasmine. Hi Jasmine, where do you live? I live in a castle. This is my friend Sammy. Hi Sammy, where do you live? I live in a hut. This is my friend Henry. Hi Henry, where do you live? I live in an igloo. This is my friend Anne. Hi Anne, where do you live? I live in a semi-detached house. This is my friend John. Hi John, where do you live? I live in a mobile home. This is my friend Sandra. Hi Sandra, where do you live? I live in a terraced house. This is my friend Mary. Hi Mary, where do you live? I live in a detached house. And this is my friend Simon. Hi Simon, where do you live? Hi, I live in a treehouse. And you, where do you live? For more videos, it's English for Fun with teacher Alice. Bye bye for now.